I'm going to make 100K starting with 0 subscribers, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I'm going to do it. So this is a bit of a personal project for me. I used to do YouTube back in middle school, high school, and it definitely was not the best. I had maybe 300 subscribers, and I think the most I've ever made was like $5. $5 back then was a lot to me, but now it's not. And I just want to see if I can make 100K starting with 0 subscribers in a year. It's definitely going to be very hard and definitely a challenge, but I want to see if I'm ready for the challenge, and I can tell you that I am definitely going to make 100K with 0 subscribers. So the question you guys are probably all asking is, how the hell are you going to do that? How are you going to start with 0 subscribers and make your way up to 100K in earnings? That seems preposterous and ridiculous, and it just seems totally out of touch with reality. So this is all about strategy. This is how you're going to optimize everything you're doing. So number one, I'm going to choose a niche that has a very high CPM. Finance definitely has a very high CPM. I believe it's around $20 to $50+ because banking institutions have a lot of money in their marketing departments to spend on these videos, which is definitely the reason why there's such a high CPM with finance videos. I will be making quite a few gaming videos, however, the CPM on that is trash, quite honestly. I think it's like $3 to $7, which honestly is not going to get you very far unless you're getting like 10 million views on a video. It's just not going to work out very well. So like I said, I'm going to make some finance videos. I'm very good with credit. I'm very good with advanced financial mathematics and also risk management and trading. So those are definitely going to be some of my main topics that I'm going to talk about. And there's a lot of interest in those things because trading can actually be quite lucrative. However, not a lot of people know how to go about it. And it could actually, be a very hard, there's a lot of hard concepts to understand. And definitely, understanding the surface level stuff is good. However, getting into the more advanced stuff is definitely a little bit harder and involve definitely a lot of math skills. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT and other AIs to create video ideas for me and to also save me some time with thumbnail creation. I am not the best graphic designer. I am absolutely terrible. So I'm going to save myself some time and actually have the AI generate some pretty okay looking thumbnails for me. Simply because, like I said, I'm terrible at thumbnail creation. I'm specifically going to use the Adobe Generative AI simply because it does a pretty good job. However, with text, it's kind of shitty, but that's okay. I can definitely, put the text on myself. I'm not that lazy. The third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize AI to optimize SEO to gain more viewers and be higher up on people's browser. So it's definitely going to be a little bit of a tedious challenge. However, with AI, I can streamline that and I can get to more audience and more viewers and sort of build my audience and, get more subscribers. In order to make this 100K that I'm talking about, I need to achieve a few goals first. I must meet YouTube's requirements for monetization, which is about 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. It could definitely be a long time before I get those. However, with the optimization and utilizing AI to my advantage, hopefully we can take that time down a little bit and maybe get it in about 30 days. Now, the fifth thing that I'm going to do in order to gain a lot of money is to mostly utilize AdSense. I'm not a big fan of affiliate marketing or selling courses. It's just not something that I feel like doing. Selling merchandise, definitely not something I want to do either. So I'm going to rely on AdSense mostly. I'm also going to utilize Charles Schwab as a referral link. Charles Schwab is a very notable broker. It has a very good tool to use, Thinkorswim, which is kind of similar to the Bloomberg Terminal, which they use in institutional investing. So definitely going to try to use that and gain some revenue through the Charles Schwab referral link. Now, how many views am I going to need in order to reach 100K. So like I said, the finance CPM is around $20. So it's usually about $20 to $50. So we're going to go with the bare minimum and say, hey, $20. So in order to make 100K only on AdSense with a CPM of $20, I would need around 5 million views in order to earn 100K. 5 million is definitely a lot, and I don't know how achievable that will be. Definitely have to crank out a lot of videos that people would actually watch, and it definitely would be very hard. However, I'm very, if I decide to market my videos and whatnot, it definitely could be very achievable. So what this boils down to is I'm going to go from 0 subscribers to 100K using mostly AI in order to optimize everything, save me time, and hopefully, make me a little bit of money in the meantime. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys see me in the next video.